Hey guys, welcome back to ITCPK. Today, I'm going to show you how to create the ultimate multi-boot USB that lets you install Windows, Linux, and other operating systems all from a single flash drive. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a system admin, or just someone who loves experimenting with different operating systems, having a multi-boot USB is a game changer. So, let's get started. Before we start, let me quickly explain what a multi-boot USB is. Instead of carrying multiple bootable USBs for different OS, you can create one single USB drive that can boot into Windows 10, Windows 11, Ubuntu, Kali Linux, and more. This is super useful for installing different OS on multiple devices, troubleshooting PCs with recovery tools, running live Linux without installation, and the best part? It's easy to set up. To create a multi-boot USB, you'll need a PC or laptop, a USB flash drive, at least 16 gigabytes, preferably 32 gigabytes or more, ISO files of the operating systems you want to install. A multi-boot tool, I recommend Ventoy, but Yumi and Easy2Boot also work. Now, let's get started with the setup. The tool I highly recommend for this is Ventoy. It's free, lightweight, and supports both Windows and Linux ISOs seamlessly. To download, go to the official Ventoy website. Download the latest version of Ventoy for Windows. It's just 16 megabytes, so it will take a while to download. Extract the downloaded zip file. You may use WinRAR or 7-zip, but Windows built-in Extract All feature will do the job. Open the folder and run ventoy2disk.exe as an administrator. Now insert your USB drive into your PC. I've already plugged in my USB flash drive. Click Install to set up Ventoy. Warning: this will erase all data on your USB, so make sure to back up important files. Once done, your USB is now ready for multi-booting. Seems empty, but relax, Ventoy has been installed in the flash drive. This is the easiest part. Just take your ISO files, Windows, Linux, or any bootable tool, and copy them directly into the USB drive. No special setup needed. I'm using Terracopy for copying files. You may use Windows Default Explorer to copy ISOs. I've added Windows 7, Windows 11, and Ubuntu Linux ISOs. You may add any bootable ISO you have. Let the copying process complete. I'm speeding up the video from here. It's done copy. Quick tip here. Name your files clearly so you can easily identify them later. To boot into your Multiboot USB, restart your PC and enter the BIOS boot menu. Press F12, F2, Escape, or Delete, depending on your PC. Select your USB drive from the list. You'll now see the Ventoy boot menu, listing all the ISO files you added. Simply select an OS. Select Boot in normal mode and it will boot instantly. Here you can see Windows 7 is booting successfully. Let's try Ubuntu. It also booted successfully. Congratulations, you've just created an ultimate multi-boot USB flash drive successfully. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe ITCPK, and turn on notifications so you never miss another tech tutorial. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.